Dolor.
Laro yung sentro.
Condolor taking 3. No good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum shot. 2 points on Dumdum.
12-10. Dalawa na lang.
Condolor. Condolor pass to Espeleta. Espeleta shot. No good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum pass to Dolor. Dolor drive. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez pass to Espeleta. Espeleta pass to Arita. Arita. Foul loose by the left. Aseo.
First personal foul.
First
First team
personal
foul.
foul on Aseo. First team foul on Sampaguita. Time out. Sampaguita.
12-10. Time freestyle daw. Time freestyle requested by N.
Huh? Baka request mo.
Sinasabi.
First throw Narita, no good. Last throw Narita. Ready to jump.
Sablay mo.
This is 1 out of 2 on Arita. Aseo back to Dolor. Dolor. Drive. Pass to Alvarines. Alvarines. Still drop shot. 2 points on Alvarines.
13-12.
Gutierrez. Pass to Arita. Arita. Shot. 2 points on Arita.
Tatlo.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Alvarines, still on Arita. Arita, no good. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor, pass to Alvarines. Alvarines, shot, no good. Rebound by Condolor. Pass to Espeleta. Espeleta, shot, no good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Pass to Condolor. Condolor now taking 3, no good. Rebound by Espeleta. Espeleta shot, no good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum, no good. Rebound by Espeleta. Espeleta pass to Condolor. Condolor drive. 2 points on Condolor. Alvarines. Alvarines taking 3, no good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum shot. 2 points on Dumdum. Gutierrez taking 3, no good. Rebound by Dolor. Pass to Dumdum. He's still on Gutierrez. Gutierrez shot, no good. Rebound by Arita. Arita shot, no good. Rebound by Aseo. Aseo pass to Dolor. Dolor shot, 2 points on Dolor. Substitution.
Isa na lang oh.
17-16 in favor of Gobas. Condolor pass to Umali, pass to Arita. Arita shot, no good. Rebound by Arita, pass to Umali. Umali shot for 2, no good. Rebound by Dumdum. Dumdum blocked by Umali. Condolor pass to Arita, pass to Umali. Shot, no good. Rebound by Alvarines. Foul on Umali.
First personal foul.
First personal foul on Umali. Second team foul on Gobas. Alvarines. Alvarines pass to Dumdum. Shot, no good. Rebound by Condolor. Condolor shot, no good. Rebound by Olivera. Olivera fake shot. 2 points on Olivera. Alvarines pass to Dumdum. Back to Alvarines. Pass to Abuli. Abuli. Pass to Macaraya. Olivera. Olivera pass to Mali. Shot for 2. No good. Easy 2 points on Abuli.
Red ball.
Olivera shot, no good. Rebound by Dumdum, wala. Team Dumdum ulit. Pass to Macaraya. Wide open shot, no good. Rebound by Arita. Arita. Arita pass to Condolor. Pumeke. Dribbling the ball. Hinaras si Macaraya.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Condolor, hinaras si Macaraya. Sumalaksak, slicing in the middle, it's in. Time out, Sampaguita.
Wala tayong time out.
Pass. Wala nang time out, Sampaguita.
Tagal na ano eh. Tagal na nahimik.
Alvarez pass to Dolor. Dolor. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Binali-bali pa. 2 points on Dolor. Labas. Olivera. Naghanap ng pamasahan. Pass to Umali.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Umali. Dribbling double pass to Arita. 10 seconds to shoot. Arita naghanap ng pamasahan. To Olivera. Shot. No good. Rebound by Aboli. It's in.
Change favor.
Change favor lamang na ang Sampaguita.
22-21.
22-21. Condolor tumira ng 3. Kaboom!
Ganda pa.
Foul on Olivera.
First personal
First
foul.
personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul on Gobas. Back to Dolor. To Haboli. Haboli, power move. Traveling violation.
2 minutes 23 seconds.
2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Behind the pit. Condolor sumalaksak.
Uy.
No good, rebound by Almarines. Almarines, pass to Maharaya, wide open shot. No good, rebound by Aboli. Rebound by Almarines. Arita shot, no good, rebound by Aboli. Foul. Who's foul? Umali. Olivera. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang Gobas.
Bawal. Oh. 23 goal.
First throw. Hindi pumasok ah, ang tira.
Oo, wala. 2 shot kay Gian. 24-22. Ano ba result lamang Gobas?
No good.
Onis. Sino?
24-23.
24-23.
Second Gobas.
Arita, pass to Umali. Umali naghahanap ng kamukha. Arita, pass to Olivera sa meke. Traveling violation on Olivera. Sampaguita ball. Makaraya pass to Dolor. Dolor drumay sa kaliwa. Dolor shot. No good. Rebound by Umali. Umali hesitate. Umali. 15 seconds to shoot, pass to Arita. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines fade away. No good. Rebound by Condolor. Condolor naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to Arita. Arita. Drumay sa gitna. Tip by Almarines. Nakuha ni Makaraya. Shot. No good. Rebound by Umali. Umali. Drop pass to Olivera.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Kick to Condolor. Condolor tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Aboli. Aboli shot. No good. Kanya ulit. Foul. Who's foul? Umali.
Personal foul.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na ang Gobas.
24-23.
Score ay 24-23.
Gobas.
In favor of Gobas.
Slim din.
Last throw. It's good.
Deadlock.
Deadlock.
All 24.
All 24. Ginamit ang screen. Arita shot. No good. Rebound. Foul.
Makaraya.
Makaraya.
Personal foul. First personal
First personal foul. 17 foul. 17 foul ng Sampaguita.
Kung pinasa pa loob, hindi mo pinasa pa loob. Ako sa loob pinasa. Pasok.
Hindi ko magbigay ng bounce pass din eh. Kailangan ma-receive na yun. Kailangan mahawakan niyo muna yung bola.
Lalo kinuha.
Warning ka.
Warning on Sampaguita. Condolor gumamit ng screen. Condolor drive. Pass to Arita, out of bounds. Sampaguita, ball.
Last 45 seconds.
Last 45 seconds na lang bago matapos ang first half.
Hey! Bawa!
First throw, it's in. Lamang na ang Sampaguita. 25-24. Last throw shot. It's in. Dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Sampaguita. 26-24. Pass to Wally. To Arita. Wide open shot. It's in. It's a deadlock. All 26. Makaraya to Dolor. Dolor pass to Wally. Speed move. Nakuha ni Condolor. Condolor speed move. Sumalaksak. Nakuha ni Almarines. Almarines. Almarines giving the ball. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Shot. Nagulibang by Condolor. Pass to Arita. Traveling violation. 11 seconds na lang. Makaraya to Dolor. 8-7.
6 seconds.
6 seconds.
Tatapilok ko eh.
4, 3, 2. Traveling. 2 seconds na lang.
Anong score?
26 to.
Condolor pass to Condolor. Condolor tumamit ng screen shot. Drop pass. Basic points from Gutierrez. Dolor to Almarines. To Dumdum. Tumira. Airball. Rebound by Haboli. Haboli power move. Rebound by Condolor. Condolor hinaras ni Dolor. Condolor sumalaksak. Pass to Condolor kumete. Shot. It's in.
30-26.
30-26 in favor of Go pass. Dolor pass to Almarines. Shot. It's in.
30-28.
Gutierrez to Condolor. Back to Gutierrez. To Condolor. Condolor crossover move. Steal by Almarines. Initiating a contact. Out of bounds. Sampaguita. Ball.
30-28.
30-28.
Go Bas.
Lamang ang Gobas. Almarines. Dribbling the ball. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound ulit. Tuloy. Walang ball. Olivera. Third personal foul. First team foul. First team foul na. Pass to Haboli. Haboli spin. No good. Kanya ulit ang bola. Nakuha ni Dumdum. Dumdum. Steal by Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Condolor. Shot. No good. Nakuha ni Condolor. Condolor dribbling the ball. Condolor to Gutierrez. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Olivera to Condolor. No good. Rebound by Haboli. It's in.
Deadlock.
Sa deadlock, all 30.
Watch lang. Ayo, why?
Gutierrez. Pass to Condolor Sumese. 15 seconds to shoot. Condolor shot. Rebound by Condolor. Steal. Kanya ulit ang bola. Hinaas na dalawa pa. 8 seconds to shoot. Speed move. Wow. Palok. Dugdong to Dolor. Out of bounds. Bola ng Gobas. Timeout. Sampagita. Almarines. Pass to Agoli. Agoli. Dugdong shot. No good. Rebound by still by Umali. Foul on Dugdong.
Dugdong first personal
First personal foul.
Team foul.
First team foul. Condolor to Umali. Umali dribbling. Sumalaksak pass to Condolor. Shot. No good. Rebound by still by Gutierrez. Almarines pass to Dolor. Dolor back to Almarines. Almarines rumay sa kaliwa. Sumikot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Arita.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Pagina nyo, perfecto ba kayo? Okay,
Bonus throw.
Bonus throw on Almarines. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Stepping on the line. Gobas ball.
Umilaw.
To Gutierrez. Umali. Pass to Dolor. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Arita.
36-32.
Score ay 36-32 in favor of Gobas. Alvarez gumamit ng screen. Steal by Arita. Arita. Traveling violation. Sampagita. Ball.
6 minutes, 45 seconds.
6 minutes and 45 seconds. Almarines. Pass to Aboli. Steal. Di pala.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Almarines. Umikot ulit. It's in. Umali to back to Umali. To Arita. Arita. Shot.
Uy.
Sin.
38-34.
38-34 in favor of Gobas. Almarines. Tip. Same ball. Sampagita. Ball. Almarines to Dolor. Dolor. Kick out to Almarines. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound by Umali. Umali shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor. Nagano ng papasahan pass to Almarines. Almarines pumege. It's in.
36.
Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Gobas. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Steal by Dolor. Foul. Plus of foul. Foul on Umali.
May isama sila. Time out. Go.
Wala sila timeout eh.
First personal foul, Umali.
Umali. It's in. Save favor. Lamang na ang Sampagita. 39-38. Steal by Aboli. Bumali pa. No good. Rebound by Umali. Umali. Pass to Espeleta. Traveling violation. Sampagita. Ball. Dolor to Almarines. Pass to Aboli. It's in. Tatlo na ang lamang ng Sampagita.
Dead ball.
Umali. Pass to Condolor. Shot. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines. 2 points.
43-38.
Score ay 43-38. Back to Condolor. Condolor. Save ball. Substitution. Condolor. Gumamit ng screenshot. Wala. Rebound by Condolor again. Pass to Arita. Shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Dolor. Inaharas ni Umali. Pass to Almarines. Almarines drive. It's in.
45-38.
45-38 in favor of Sampaguita. Umali. Draw pass to Gutierrez. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Almarines taking his time. Almarines tuwiran ng Torres. No good. Out of bounds. Time out. Sampaguita.
45-38.
Score 45-30. Umali po Condalor. Bumami na sprint. Condalor. Draw pass to Arita.
45-40.
45-40. Lima na ang lumamnam. Sampaguita.
4 minutes.
Almarines. Hinarias. Foul on Gutierrez.
Gutierrez.
Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Pass to Haboli. Haboli foul move. 2 points on Haboli. Gutierrez pass to Arita. Back to Gutierrez. Gutierrez naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Condalor. Condalor, tuwiran ng Torres. No good. Rebound by Haboli. Block by Condalor. 47-42 lamang ang Sampaguita. Haboli, shot, no good. Rebound by Condalor.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Condalor behind the back. It's win on Condalor. 2 points.
47-44.
47-44 in favor of Sampaguita. Almarines gumamit ang screen. Almarines doon sa gitna. No good. Nakuha ni Dumdum. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Wala. Rebound by out of bounds.
Go basketball.
Go basketball.
Sub.
Substitution. Makaraya in. Dumdum out.
47-44.
47-44. Arita gumamit ng screen. It's him.
Sana lang.
Sana lang ang lamang ng Sampaguita.
47-46.
47-46. Almarines, umikot. Almarines, pass to Dolor. Dolor, kick out to Almarines. 15 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Almarines, tinira ng Torres. Bang! Almarines, 3-point. Condalor, revive. It's in.
50-48.
Score ay 50, 48. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Sampaguita. Dolor to Almarines.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Almarines pass to Haboli. Haboli block by Condalor. Condalor. Pass to Gutierrez. Back to Condalor. Condalor inaras ni Dolor. 15 seconds to shoot. Condalor drive. Eurostep. Drop pass to Wali. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Arita. Foul on Almarines.
First personal foul.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout. Sampaguita.
Both teams wala ng timeout.
Both teams wala ng timeout.
Ano patugtog? Kumaya na.
Score 50, 48.
Sampaguita, Billings.
Lamang ang Sampaguita.
Sampaguita.
Umalimbang the ball pass to Arita. Arita crossover move. Pass to Olivera. Olivera. Out of bounds. Sampaguita ball. Makaraya to Dolor. Back to Makaraya. Pass to Haboli. Haboli crossover. Tumalaksak. Shot, it's hit.
52-48.
52-48 lamang ang Sampaguita.
Laki oh.
Umali. Crossover move. Pasi crossover. It's good. 2 points on Umali. 52-50 in favor of Sampaguita. Pass to Dolor. Dolor taking his time. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Almarines. 10 seconds to shoot. Almarines. Pass to Dolor. Shot. No good. Rebound by Arita. Labas muna.
52-50.
Messi from the Lord Rumaib. It's in. The Dodra all 52. 41 seconds remaining. All 52. Almarina sinaharas ni Arita. Tip by Olivera. It's in. 54-52 in favor of Sampaguita. Pandalor. Sinaharas. Pandalor Rumaib. Palitan lang.
Last 23 seconds.
Last 23 seconds. 54 all.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Almarines. 10 seconds to shoot. Almarines. Foul. Arriba.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Wala nang tayo natin.
Both teams wala ng timeout.
May tira.
Last 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
6 seconds na lang. 55, 54. Last throw. It's good.
Last 6 seconds.
Last 6 seconds.
6 seconds.
Pandalor sumalaksa. Wala nang timeout parehas. Makaraya pumete. OT. Pass to Almarines. Toraboli. Tumiro ng tres. No good. Rebound by Candalor. Go basketball. No good.
Last throw.
Last throw. Score ay 56 and 56. Parehas lamang. 6-2.
Lamang gobas na.
Lamang na ang gobas ng isa. 57-56. Dolor, Drumaib. Shot, no good. Rebound by Arita. Rebound niya ulit. Arita, shot, no good. Rebound by Dolor. Shot. Favor, lamang na ang Sampaguita. Condolor. Paso Arita. Gutierrez shot. No good. Rebound by Dumbong. Dumbong naghahanap ng papasan. Paso Almarines. Almarines Rumaib. Wow.
Yung bata ito.
Foul.
Aboli.
Aboli.
Foul. First.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
60-57 yun. 60-57. Tatlo.
Yunsin. Last throw. Score ay 58. 60. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Shot. No good. Nakuha ni Dolor ulit. Stick by Arita. Same ball. No good.
Castro.
Lastro ready to jump.
15 ulit.
Oh!
It's in.
61-58.
61-58. Yung Teborok. Sampalita. 2 points. Almarines. Kababa lang daw.
Mandalor.
Mandalor, second person.
Hotdog, no? Hotdog.
62-60. Castro.
Lastro ready to jump. It's in.
3-point lead by Gobas. Ay, sa pagisa.
Condalor bumalasa. No good. Rimang by Dundong. Pass to Almarines. Almarines. Wala. Nakuha ni. Pass to Dalor.
Mandalor, third person.
Condalor third personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Parehas tama. Sino ba sinusuportahan mo, Troy?
Timeout. Gobas.
Delaying the game.
Lastro.
Yung next sa scene.
Oh. Game.
Lastro. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez.
Dalawa na lang.
64-62.
64-62. Laban pa rin ang Sampalita. Almarines gumamit ang screen. Almarines. Taking his time.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Kick by Gutierrez. Out of bounds. Save ball. Almarines pass to Aboli. Aboli power move. Drop pass. No good. Rebound by Aboli. It's a clear block. Oh, 64.
2 minutes, 56 seconds.
2 minutes, 56 seconds. Dulo rin na aras ni Arita. Anis G. Gumamit ng screen. Pass to Dulo. Dulo drive. It's in. Arita. Pass to Mali. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez wide open shot. No good. Nakuha niya Aboli. Aboli. It's in. Pass to Condolor. Condolor. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Aboli. Aboli no good. 2 points doon. Condolor. Foul. Gutierrez.
Third person.
Umali. Rebound sa kanan. Foul. Kasak foul. Dumdum.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Basket.
7 to 68. Bonus shot.
Bonus shot. Umali. It's it.
1 point.
A 1 point lead on Sampaguita. Pass to Almarines. Almarines sinaharas ni Silver Umali. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez shot. No good. Rebound by out of bounds.
Gobas.
Bobas ball.
Announce mo agad, Ed. Announce mo agad yung bola.
Shot. No good. Nakuha ni Condalor. Condalor.
15 seconds to shoot.
15 seconds to shoot. Condalor. Hesi. Condalor Brumay. Floater.
Lamang na.
Lamang na ang Gobas change favor. 71-70. Almarines, hinaras ng dalawa. Naghanap ng babasahan pa sa Haboli. Haboli pumeke. Haboli speed move. Pumeke ulit. Shot, no good. Rebound by Dolor. Nakuha nobody. No good. Rebound by Arita. Arita, pass to Condalor. Condalor.
15 seconds to shoot.
Condalor, dribbling the ball, crossover,
10 seconds to
10 seconds to
shoot.
shoot. Condalor, nakuha ni Umali, shot, it's good.
Tatlo, 7.
Naman na ng tatlo ang Gobas. Foul on Arika.
73 seconds.
Third personal foul, penalty.
Pagtira lang isa. Pagtira.
No good, substitution.
Sayang yung ano nun, no?
Last throw.
1 inch na yun, nawala ako sa dadamin mo na lang.
It's in.
73-71.
Nakakalabang ko, patawa ng patawa.
Condalor, taking his time.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Condalor, good dribble.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Condalor, pass to Black Condalor.
5 seconds.
Arita Drumaib, no good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines, nagana ng babasahan pass to Dolor. Dolor, kick out to Almarines, pumeke. Almarines drop, pass to Dolor, it's in.
Last 16
Sa
seconds.
Black,
73 all. 16 seconds.
16 seconds.
Ay, gago. Timeout kami, timeout.
Wala nang timeout parehas. Nag-isa lang.
Oy, oy!
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Dolor.
7, 6,
5. Haboli. Black. Pass to Condalor. Condalor tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Dolor. Black by Condalor. Almarines sinigot.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Shamgad. Pass to Makaraya.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. No good. Nakuha ni Dolor. Pass to Makaraya. Wala. Nakuha ni Condalor. Wala. Nakuha ni Haboli. Haboli through by sa kanan. Paulo Olivera. Warning for Bradley. Penalty.
Ano, chinarge ko pa naman to para sa tatlong laro.
Malabat na.
May isa pang extra dito, battery.
No good. Last throw. Ready to jump.
Wala kay Christian. Hindi lang ako na-injury nito. Kapag tayo ito, di na. Pero maganda yan, tol. Ganun mo tol, para may gamit yung food.
No good. Rebound by out of bounds.
Hindi naman kayo player. Yun yun.
Sa pagita.
Pwede pamalo.
Makaraya to Haboli. Tumos up. It's in. Basic 2 points.
Hindi sa papabago dyan. Ay naman.
Arita. Crossover. Step back. Airball. Kanya ulit. Naghanap ng papasahan pass to Olivera. To Condalor. Through 5. It's in. 2 points on Condalor.
75 all.
It's 75 ball.
Nice, James.
15 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. Dolor. Umikot. No good. Rebound by Condalor. Wala. Rebound by Gundalor again. Kumapit ang Tetris.
75, 76. Uy! Foul?
No good.
Pagod na.
Next na laban.
Last throw. Ready to jump.
Light.
77, 76.
77-76.
1 point lead by Gobas.
Isa na lang ang lamang ng Gobas. Pandalor. Naubos ang oras.
15 seconds to
15 seconds to
shoot.
shoot.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Hinaras ni Dolor. Hinaras ni Dolor. Oh! Shot! Oh! Game! Killer post over. Almarines pass to Adoli. Hinaras ni Olivera. Pass to Almarines. Almarines rumay sa kanan. Drop pass to Paulo Olivera. Graduate! Substitution.
Naman, ganda ng laban eh. Ay, ikaw dito.
Last throw. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines. Kawani. Arita. Arita. Pass to Condolor. Ginagamit ang oras. Condolor. Regalo ng mabunan pass to.
5 seconds to
5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. It's in.
79, 78.
79-78 in favor of Gobas. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. 15 seconds to shoot. Condolor shot. Bang! Pamatay ng subong. Almarines. Pass to Agoli. Agoli. Black by Condolor. Rebound by Arita. Pass to Condolor. Foul. Condolor. First personal foul. Penalty. No good.
81, 70.
Last throw. Ready to jump. It's in. Almarines tumira ng press. Paboom!
82, 81.
82-81. Paulo Almarines. Penalty.
Dalawang OT. 5-0 na kayo kaya. 0 pa kayo. Grabe ka naman.
It's in.
Insane.
Last throw.
Heartbeat ko yan.
83, 81.
Wala. Naribang ni Arita. Umilaw.
11 seconds.
Last
Last 11 seconds.
11 seconds. 10 seconds. Almarines. Pass to Dungdong. To Dulong. 10 seconds. Violation. Sabon. Foul.
Seconds, 1 second. Dami nun mo.
1 second.
Ang dami nun. Marines, warning for graduate.
Almarines warning for graduate. Penalty.
Ilan lamang?
Dalawa. 83, 81.
Panalo na yun. Ubas!
Sulit ka mo.